guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. After a very long hectic day, we thought of heading out for a restaurant for the dinner. So we reached Punjabi Beats. We ordered veg platter, Amritsari paneer bhurji and a curry to go with that. The taste was really yum.
I just want you to be happy when someone tries to touch your scars. It doesn't seem to cure at all. Nothing's gonna be any better. I'll love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the destiny. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best morning.
After a very good dinner, we went to Shell to buy this Campure product which acts like an air freshener for the car and it smells so good. We got up very late since it's a weekend, and for breakfast I directly made this egg dosa with some peanut chutney. Yesterday I got this eye serum delivered from Amino. This eye serum is good for dark circles. I have been using it from past couple of months. I have seen a very good results. We had some shopping plans, so we went to this Phoenix Market City.
I'll love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day.
I got this Contola spinning gourd vegetable from the local vegetable shop. I've been using this vegetable for the first time and let's see how it turns out.
Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world.
After dinner, we got this courier from Old Giraffe delivered. So we have seen a number of videos on this albums at Instagram. So we thought of giving it a try and we really love the quality of the product. Do give it a try if you are interested. Then we ended our day with this dessert from Corner House Ice Cream. Thanks for watching.